A very warm welcome to the show, and if you missed my last video with the kitchen preview, welcome to the new home of Richie the Foodie. It is the beginning of the week, it's dark and gloomy outside, I've just finished work, so I'm after a quick fix for something to eat. For me, Thermomix aside, it doesn't get any easier midweek cooking than using an air fryer. Now, I love a little bit of Mexican fare, so tonight I'm going to be cooking the old classic chicken fajitas. I used to cook these in the oven and also in a pan, but I've got to be honest, personally I prefer the air fry version. All we're going to be doing is mixing a couple of chicken breasts with some store cupboard spices, peppers, red onions, a bit of olive oil, some lime juice, chuck it in a drawer and let the air fry do the work. Just before I start, very quickly, I want to say a big thank you to all of you for your continued support, and if you're not a subscriber, do consider clicking that subscribe button. This will help me reach that magical 10,000 subscriber mark. So grab yourself a coffee, a glass of wine or a beer, whatever takes your fancy, and sit back and enjoy the video. First of all, preheat your air fryer to 200 degrees Celsius. Right, a nice easy way to prep peppers. Firstly, slice off the edge of the pepper. Now slice as shown. Prepping your peppers this way will keep all the seeds intact and prevent them from going all over your board. Now cut into thin strips. You'll find it much easier slicing a pepper from the inside, not the outside. Once you finish slicing both peppers, place in a large bowl. Next, get yourself one medium onion. Chop in half, then cut into thirds. Add them to the bowl with your peppers. Next, we want 2 chicken breasts. It's important that we prep these last to reduce the risk of cross-contamination. Slice into strips as shown. Add your chicken to the bowl. Here is the prep spice mixture. The ingredients are coming up on the screen now. It really is worth the effort making your own and not using shop-bought pre-mixed spices. Add the mixture to the bowl and combine. If you have time, place the mixture in the fridge to marinate for 2 hours or overnight. Cook for 20 minutes, giving the drawer a good shake after 10 minutes. It doesn't get any easier than this. Once the cooking is complete, place your mixture on a preheated serving platter. I've also added a little chopped lettuce. Now the rest is really up to you. On heated tortillas, firstly I like to add a little sour cream. Next, top with some of that lovely juicy fajita mixture. Next, a few pinches of lettuce. This part's purely optional, but I like to top off with a little bit of sriracha. Now all that's left to do is roll and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching.